Hello, this is Liz with Crafted Devotion. This is my coral, pink, and blue art dress. I provide finished or kits so that you can make your own, and I provide a variety of different kits. Right now I have several new kits in my shop, and you see that little hanger? That little hanger is what inspired me to create these designs. I created one when I saw that hanger, and then when I showed everyone, they were like so inspired that I decided to start making kits for them because everyone wanted to make their own. So now what I do is I make multiple kits so that others can be inspired to make your own. In each kit, it comes with a detailed tutorial and all the things that you need to make one art dress. And later, if you wish to design your own, you can purchase a hangers and the bodice separately. In order to purchase these, you can visit my Etsy shop. I will try and place a link in the comments. If not, it is craftydevotion.etsy.com. And these are no-sew kits. So you need some scissors and glue and maybe an iron if you want to iron those strips. But they're made to inspire you. So I hope you visit my shop and you are inspired to create your own designs.